Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Apex Legends not opening. If you want to fix it, first type here enable Xbox game bar and then turn off this option, go back and now go to background apps, turn off first option here and then go back, go to Windows update settings. Now make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and that's it. Just click check for updates and install all the updates, and then go back and go to GeForce Experience. Now go to drivers, check for updates, make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card, close it and go to Windows update settings. Go to Task Manager and close all the applications that you don't need when playing. Applications that you need what they do, applications that you know what they do, and that's it. All the applications that you don't need, close it. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.